up, YouTube? Good morning. This your boy, Chevy Addict, with another video. All right, y'all. This morning, I got some for the old school. So, I'm going to show you what's going on with it. What's going on with this package here. You know, I'm going to change out everything for the old school Billet. So, only thing I got now is my Billet steering wheel. I found some door vents also that I'm looking at. So, woo, they expensive. They is expensive, y'all. But this right here is one of the last piece for the Billet pieces that I'm doing. So that being said, I'm ordering my steering wheel next month. I'm going with a deep wood grain Billet steering wheel. Y'all gonna like it, but y'all gonna like this too. So I did wait some days for this. So I'm gonna show you what I have right here. It's time for all the Billet be complete. Woo! Woo! Look at that back. So that's the mirror, right? Woo! Look clean, ain't it? So that's one piece. This the other pieces. So I'm gonna show you what this is. This is the mirror handle to hold it to the windshield of the car. So that being said, no more tools. All I gotta just do is just screw this in up here on my windshield of the old school and be together, y'all. So I know it's a short video, but it was to the point, right? So I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. And leave me a comment and tell me how this new look gonna look on the old school. Woo! My boy KG showed me this at first, y'all. So gotta do some cleaning up to it. So other than that, y'all, I got my mirror now. So hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all on the next video.